What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I have her 0212. I have another review for you guys. This is some heels that my fiance got at the Costa Mesa Taco Plaza. These are some Christian Louboutins. These are the 100 patent. I think these are like K or something like that. These are patent leather. This is what it comes when you buy these. Your red soles, Christian Louboutin. Bottoms are right there. Comes with 2 dust bags, or 1 I believe. The other one I think is in the room. There's a dust bag, pretty soft. Christian Louboutin Paris. Here's the receipt. These were $6.95 plus tax $7.50. Came out to a total of $7.48 with 86 cents. These are the thick fillet fine gray pattern, like 40 size 41. See right there. Again, it says love your red soles. And these are the heels right here. They're pretty nice. Panel leather is really soft. And that red, famous red soles. These are pretty nice. I know my girl, she can't wait to wear these. She has a couple other ones, and I'm gonna be installing the clear vinyl wrap on the bottom and the red rubber soles, so they won't get messed up, because these shoes really good, like really scratch the heel really quick. It's like $800 heels, and for it to get scratched on the first put on, like, I don't know, it's crazy, but that's what happens to her first heels she ever got. The first time she wore them like that, and they ended up being all messed up in the bottom. So now all the ones she has, I've been putting like the protectors on the bottom so don't get scratched. And she actually has some with those, and she has used them a lot, maybe like about 30-40 times, and most of those times been probably going out dinner and parties and all that, you know, and then the soles are still intact. This is the right shoe. This is the left heel here. Other than that, just tissue paper. Comes with this little bag here too. It's like extra these little heel tips, or I don't know what it is. And yeah, I'm gonna be putting on the things. Stay tuned. Some of the things you guys are gonna need is obviously the heels. Make sure they're clean, wiped from the bottom, you know, oil free and dust free. On the sides. You are going to need the clear vinyl wrap. You're going to have to cut it around it with a pen or marker or whatever, and then you are going to need scissors to cut off whatever you trace. And then towards the end, you are going to need these rubber soles. These two you're going to have to trim out to make it on the size for the bottom of the heel. And all this is going to save you a lot of money. You won't have to be buying another pair in a couple months because your pair got messed up, you know. So these are the best way to go. Stay tuned. So as you can see, I already cut these out already. I have done some other heels in the past. So what you want to do is put the heel on top. So like this, actually on the back side. Go here, and with a pen, trace out the toe box. Doesn't have to be perfect, so you kind of know where you're gonna cut it. And straighten out cut it out. And just try to cut out a little bit inside the line. We do have a party coming up, so I'm just I'm going to be wearing these for that day. Things like maybe like in a week. And there's this. Already, and peel it off. And then paste it here. There we go. Come over like this. And when you peel off things, this thing is gonna go on top. This for you guys. Fill up your vinyl wrap. Kind of line it up the edge. So. So, that's where your squeegee comes in handy. Squeeze it all out. Get all the air bubbles out. Make sure you put some little pressure in there so it can stick right. Doesn't really matter if you have any like, air bubbles in the middle because either way these are going to go on top, so it's going to cover it. As long as you get all the edges right, so it won't peel off in the future, you're good. You can already tell it. There's a clear on the bottom. One of these are the air bubbles, but this thing on top so it doesn't cover it. So I mean, you have to put these on because whenever you're stepping on a rug or something like that, it's really slippery, so you make sure put these won't fall. So what you want to do is kind of trace out also. Make sure it doesn't fit. Kind of cut a little triangle here. It's pretty simple, guys. You like to do this. And at the same time, you'll save money. When you got the money, you can just go ahead and buy another one each week. There you go. That's so right there. That should be fine there. Let me get this on the left side. There you go. See, it'll cover all the air bubbles in the middle. Just peel it away. Just peel it off. Just peel it off and let's cut this on top. Make sure you have some pressure. This thing is really sticky, so it'll stick real hard. Other than that, you're done. Pretty simple steps. And your shoes will last longer for this. Especially your bottom soles. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to comment down below. Thank you guys.